What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Audi A4 remote key fob. This Audi A4 key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. So the first thing we're going to do is grab our key fob, flip it over so the buttons are facing down. Then we're going to remove this emergency key. That's done by pressing this button here that my thumb's on, and then the emergency key will pull out like that. Now I'm going to use this emergency key to pop this back cover up just a little bit. So what I'm going to do is take my emergency key and I'm going to put it in that slot that the key just slid out of, but I'm going to kind of angle it over this way, and you won't really be able to see anything in here, but in this slot, it's going to go over here to about here at an angle, and then I'm going to pry up just a little bit, and it's going to pop this back cover up. So I'm coming in this slot at an angle like this, then you'll feel it kind of hit, and then just pry up just a little bit, and you can see that it just pops the cover up like that much. And then you can get a finger on here and pull that cover off. Now we see our battery right here, and I'll use my key just to help pop it out of this holder. Get our old battery out, then we'll grab our new battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing that with the plus side up, positive side up. And I'm going to kind of tuck this edge in first, that bottom edge in, and then snap it down into place. And then we'll put this back cover on. And if you notice on this cover, there's these two tabs. Those are going to slide in first, like that. And then the back will snap down. Slide our emergency key back in. And that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.